Then up here, click Tools, Fill and Sign, and then you can click and it knows where you're supposed to be typing. And then you can just tab through. It even knows you. Yeah, and then you can, veteran, you can either just type in an X or they have these symbols that you can use there. And then when you go to close out of it, you can save it, and it'll save all of those. And if you close out, do you want to save changes? Yes. So that's a lot easier. So yeah, Tools, Fill and Sign, and just make sure you're in Adobe.